Nemo, can you get out of my seat, please? That's my seat. Thank you. Some Adrenal Fawn Maltese. Hi everyone, today is Vlogmas and it's day 8 and it's the week 2 of my Vlogmas, and I haven't done makeup in such a long time, so I kind of wanted to just do like a very quick makeup look basically.
My tooth is hurting.
Like, why is it hurting? Okay, so my finished look is ready. I basically just went for like a simple makeup look with some eyeliner and red lips. And the red lipstick I'm using is this one right here. It's from Pixie and it is just, I just love it. I keep forgetting the name. It's called Real Red. I swear, I told you that in the video of my review on these lipsticks that this was going to be my Christmas favorite lipstick, and I swear it is. Like, I just love it so much. I mean, it's so pretty and it just dries up so quickly. Yeah, I just so basically what I have on, I can just give you like a mini rundown of my outfit. So I'm wearing this Primark black top, basically this H&M simple necklace. My earrings are actually from Primark as well. I just have like 2 they're like gold because I wanted to kind of, you know, complement the necklace. And then I have this Primark skirt as well that I bought when I went to Scotland last. These are my knee-high socks, and then I'm wearing my boots. So yeah, that was my outfit. I'm wearing like this big chunky jacket with a hood because I think it's a little bit rainy outside, so I don't really want to mess my hair because I straightened it today, and when I straighten it, you know, I take my time to do that. So yeah, I'm just wearing this and then like a black bag probably, or a pink one actually because of my boots. So yeah, I hope you all have a lovely Saturday, and if you like my Vlogmas week 2, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and don't forget that you can press the notification bell so that it will notify you every single time I post a video. So yeah, I'm gonna be off. I'm gonna go to Wagamama, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Currently waiting for my food, but Luke got his. Is it good, Luke?
Very good.
He likes it. Say yeah. Okay, så hold lidt jeg. Hi everyone, good morning. So today is Sunday and it's Vlogmas day 9, And basically yesterday we went out to Wagamama and we had some really good dinner. It was really good. I got the chicken katsu and then Luke got something which was different, was spicy, but it was like good spice. It's 11:30 right now, so my giveaway, my Xmas giveaway number 1 closes at 12, so I'm going to release my second giveaway. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then I'm going to stay answering some YouTube comments, prepare the Vlogmas for today, which is basically going to be Vlogmas week 1. So I just hope you all have a lovely Sunday, and I will talk to you either later or tomorrow. But yeah, don't forget to participate in my Facebook and Instagram giveaways. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I hope you all are enjoying my Vlogmas, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Today is Vlogmas. When my dad just, you know, makes fun of me for the way I vlog. That's my dad. So today is Illum xanna. Xi ħaj. Right. Illum xanna kemm għandna? 10? Today is Vlogmas day 10 and I just finished work and I went to have some lunch with a friend of mine, and now I'm with my dad. Ugh. I'm supposed to be like at home doing some KezziesCorner things, but my dad said let's go buy a Christmas tree, so I'm like I know we're a bit late to the game, but yeah, that's how we roll. As usual. As usual, yes, like you said. So yeah, so I'm gonna just take you with me. I don't know why this jacket is going up like this. It's not supposed to be going up like that, but anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna go to Hatard, probably get stuck in traffic, we'll see. So yeah, I'll take you with me. See you there. That's my daddy. Arbota sota. Me. What do you think of the tree? Emo! Emo, is that the way to welcome our new tree? Look! It's a real tree! This is so funny! So we got this one. What are we going to call you? Ooh, we'd have the Hoover, because this thing sheds a lot. We don't know where this came from, but it probably came from abroad, because you can never grow a tree like this in Malta. Malta's climate is not for this type of tree. But we got this type of tree. We could say it's from Scotland, you know, because Scotland follows me. So yeah, Nemo doesn't like the tree a lot. Hopefully she'll get used to it. We still have to decorate. I think we need to go buy like some new lights and some new decorations, because like the ones we have are quite old. But we'll not do that today because today it's very dark and I haven't done anything that I was meant to do. I have to write a Vlogmas post, which I didn't. I'm gonna just probably skip it tonight, or maybe do something very lightweight and chill. I'm gonna clean now because the floor is messy. It is Vlogmas day. I forgot what day it is. What day are we in? 11. So basically an update. I actually have Christmas lunch today with my colleagues. Basically, it's my first Christmas lunch with them because it's my first time working, obviously, with them. I only started work like a month ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go have some Christmas lunch, and I'm so excited because I am starving. I had work this morning and now I'm ready to eat. So yeah, so basically today is Tuesday and it's the 11th, and I have Christmas lunch, and then when I come home, I think I don't know if we're gonna start decorating the Christmas tree that we got yesterday, but we might. I don't know, but I think we need to go get some new decorations for sure. Wow, my angle, oh, give me a sec, because, excuse me, sorry about that, you know, it just keeps going down because Malta is like full of, you know, hofor, you know, bumps in the road. That's what hofor got. So basically, I think that's what we're gonna do today. Maybe just start decorating the Christmas tree, but I know we need to go out and buy some bubbles. but my mom is working today, so obviously she won't be here. So we're kind of like doing it with my mom. So I guess we'll wait for her probably, and maybe do it tomorrow, and maybe even I go and buy some new bubbles with her. I don't know. So yeah. What else did I have to tell you guys? Yeah, I finished editing tomorrow's video, which is about Priseer. Basically, Priseer is this amazing website. They also have an application, which I forgot to say in the video, but they also have an application where you can obviously buy stuff online as well. It's exactly like obviously the website. It's boiling in here. But yeah, I guess I just wanted to fill you in so that tomorrow that video will come out as well. And then tomorrow I have work basically, and then on Thursday is a holiday in Malta. It's like a feast, I think. I don't know. No, is it not a feast? I'm not sure. But it's like a public holiday. But I still have work in the morning myself, so yes. And the vlog here is the cow vlog here, because this camera is really not helping. Like the angle of it is really not helping. I don't know how I did it last time. Like last time it actually stayed, but this thing actually fell since last time I filmed. So yeah, I'm just going to stop it here. I'll talk to you guys later.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Hey! Hey, pretty girl! Hey, pretty... Oh, we don't bite. We don't bite. Hey. Hi, everyone. So basically, today is Wednesday, and I just finished work, and I had an errand to run, and now Luke is coming for me, and we're going to go to Shoreditch. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to eat. Like yesterday, the Christmas lunch was amazing. But yeah, today we're just going to Shoreditch. So I cannot wait. I'm just waiting for him. And I was like just so eager to go and eat. So I just came outside to wait for him because he finished work as well. We finished work at the same time, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Then I come home and I upload the video. But that's why Wednesday's video went out a bit late. It was because I went out to eat Shoreditch. But I kind of like being at home when videos come out. That way I like be able to interact with you guys more rather than just, you know, leave them upload when I'm not at home, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm just gonna go now. I'm just going to show you what I get from Shoreditch. But Shoreditch has have the most amazing burgers and pancakes ever. So yeah, bye!
Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking. Bass drop. Rocking up. Rocking up.
Hi guys, it's Thursday and it is the 13th of December, so it's Vlogmas day 13. I forgot to like start doing, you know, the Vlogmas day blah and then Vlogmas day, but then when I'm editing it I'm just going to put a title. So yeah, we don't need to know that, Kezia, I know, sorry. So today it's actually just been a relaxed day. Like I had work and now I'm just gonna go over to Luke's and funny story, we've been together for like 4 years now, so tomorrow we're actually going to be going out and celebrating properly, like gonna go have a meal, but we're not doing it today because we both have work tomorrow early morning, so it didn't really make sense, but you know, it made more sense to go and celebrate it tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. My teddy bear jacket, I'm just gonna go to his house and we're probably going to stay watching, not watching a show, sorry, playing a game. I don't know what it's called, like I always forget, but yeah, I just wanted to show you quickly something really cute. I kind of arranged this area, like this is my chest of drawers and this is, well, I film over there, but this sometimes shows up, but I probably won't show up in my videos, but yeah, it's here. Like I put together everything on here and I wrote Merry Christmas over there, and then over here I have this quote written, which is, I wish we could put up some of the Christmas spirit in jars and open a jar of it every month, because I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna be off now. I was supposed to like film a video today, but I was so tired after work that I just had to sleep. Like literally I just had to sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna go down to Luke's. I hope you all have a lovely Thursday and I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Guys, so I'm off. Basically, like I told you yesterday, today is Vlogmas day 15 and 14, sorry. And like I told you yesterday, yesterday me and Luke marked our like 4 years since we started going out together and all that stuff. So yeah, but today, since we were working, we said that we'll go out today. And so that's what we're doing. This is the makeup look I have on for today, and I have the Priseer earrings that I showed in my haul and I absolutely love them. The only thing I don't like is like they jingle a lot, but that's fine. I really like them, they're so pretty. And I'm just going to show you my outfit. So I have on this Bershka like jumper, and then these Bershka paper bag trousers, and then my down under boots, and then I'm wearing my new teddy bear Primark jacket, which I love. So yeah, that is my outfit. I'm kind of, you know, it's cold, so I really don't care about wearing like dresses and stuff like that because it's cold. Like it's cold. Like I feel cold. I'm sorry. I just feel cold. Like I was wearing I was gonna wear a dress, but I'm like, it's cold. So yeah, anyways, today is going to be the last day of Vlogmas week 2. So I'm just going to basically end this vlog by showing you guys the dinner, I guess. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my Vlogmas week 2, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and don't forget that Vlogmas week 3 will be up next Sunday. And yeah, and also my giveaway is going to be ending, well, today would have ended when the video goes up, but then Xmas giveaway 2 will be coming out as well, and I think I'm going to do one on Facebook and then one on Instagram separately, so they're going to be 2 different prizes all together. So yeah, be sure to be following me on both of those if you are interested. So yeah, I'm just gonna go now. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. Ooh, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Decide between the salmon or the chicken. Okay, we're waiting for food now, and I cannot wait to eat because I am hungry.